Welcome back guys to another video. This is going to be an unboxing of Redragon's mechanical keyboard. So as you can see, I've done a few unboxings of I think 3 keyboards right now, and the black one I done one of Redragon, which you guys can have a look over here or there, and there's a Logitech one and a Rai one what I done unboxing of, so have a look at that videos. But if you're interested in this keyboard and you want to see what's all in the box, stay tuned. Also, if you guys do want to go above and beyond, hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, do all those good stuff, and share the videos so you guys can know exactly when I post that new videos, and maybe friends what's maybe interested in maybe a keyboard like this or many other devices what I do unboxing of. You guys can have a look at there on the this side, where there's more videos what I done unboxing of, and many equipment what you guys may be thinking of buying for Black Friday or Christmas or for the holiday season, or just for someone what you care about a lot, and maybe something that will make your life a little easier when you're working with or enjoying your day or so. But yeah, let's see how the box look around this Redragon Castor, should I say. It's a 68 keyboard, or 68 keys wired mechanical keyboard. But yeah, let's see. so that was around the box what you guys saw. And yeah, let's see. I'm actually hoping that the audio is a bit better. Hope that there's no too much ads stuff going on, but yeah. Like I said in the beginning part of the video, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. This is a new keyboard. You can buy it from Takealot or Amazon, or from your trusted local stores, even from trusted online stores. I'm sure they would have this. You guys can see on the box, and always make sure that the stickers, which is on this side, is basically well, this sticker over here is sealed. There's one on this side and one on this side. That's just to guarantee that you are getting a sealed unit. If there is something wrong with it, send it back. If maybe a keyboard is not working properly or the light is not working properly, send it back so you guys can get a new one. Don't wait. Send it back immediately. And also, if you guys do want to go that extra mile, hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, hit the so yeah, so you guys know exactly when I posted a new video. And it also helps out the channel a lot. If you do want to go above and beyond, there is a PayPal link what you guys can donate. $5, $6, $10, whatever you guys want to donate towards the channel, and it will say buy me a coffee or game. It's a massive help, especially to buy this good equipment. Most of my equipment what I'm buying for the channel I use. If I don't, it's probably someone would let me do a unboxing of it, or a friend or family member would say that I can do an unboxing of it. But most of the items that you see on my channel, you guys know I'm using it. And also Redragon, if you are watching this, if you guys do want to sponsor, you guys are more than welcome to. But like I said, this is bought with my own money. Yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. Luckily I don't have to have any scissors or knives with me. I'm just gonna open the one end. Hopefully you guys are having a great day or evening whenever you guys got a chance to watch this video, and let me know, is this the first video that you see, or is it the second video what you guys see, or what was the first video you guys saw actually of me doing unboxing. I think I have this probably upside down. Yeah, I'll probably have it upside down. So I'm just gonna slide it out. So put that to one side. As you guys can see, the Redragon logo on there. Nothing extra on the back, just a black box. I'm not sure what to expect, but let's see. Yeah, so the previous keyboard what I got, it didn't have the directional buttons what I was looking for. And yeah, I was really looking forward to using that one, but I had to send it back. Redragon understand about that. And this one, ooh. So like in the previous one, there's your mechanical switches, your spare ones, And yeah, so it comes in a little box. The other one was just in bubble wrap. And this one is in like it's also the red switches, as you guys can see. I'll take one out. There you go. Gonna have a look over there. Let's see. So red switches. I don't think this is lubricated switches already. And you get 4 of it. 4 spare ones. I'm gonna put this aside. Also, when you do get one of this, use hand sanitizer and wipe it down so you guys know exactly. Like, I already wiped down the box. I'll wipe down the rest of the other stuff, and just like a paper towel to dry it off. And here's the key switches and key pullers. I'll put the right names in what the Redragon called it, so you get that. Just like the previous one, and this one is just like a classic look, gray and white. So with a classic type C, angle type C should I say, and USB A. And that's connected to this. There's a Velcro strap to the cable, so it's easier to manage. This is a white keyboard, like I said, white and gray. So there's that. And then before we get to the meat and potatoes, in this one they give you extra keys, so if you do want to maybe switch it out just for like gray or just white, it is included in the box. As you guys can see, this is already broken. I don't know why, but anyway. So you can change out the keys to white ones or gray ones. Right now there's the gray white accents. As you guys can see, there's more white or more gray and some white on. So the ones what you see which is white, those ones will be gray, and the ones what's gray will be white on the keyboard, but you guys will see that. So you get that also nicely included in the pack, which is really nice of them to do. Let's just put this back, and I'm sure you guys want to see what the keyboard looks like. So that's all what you get in the box. Just having a look if it's recording, because I was speaking for a little bit of time, but yeah. And I will show you guys like what it looks like around all of these items. So you get your user manual. Oh, is this the user manual? instruction guidebook. I mean, it's a keyboard, so maybe if you want to know how to place your RGB lights, because this is a full RGB keyboard, place the lights. Maybe you wanted just to have one type of color. There is a app what you can also get with this. This is your stickers. I know in the previous one I wasn't sure what was it called, but yeah, it's actually stickers, because I was actually checking. So you can stick this like to show that you have one. Redragon. Again, with all those products, make sure that you do a wipe down. The keyboard is quite heavy. It's not like the previous one was more heavy, but this one is quite heavy. So I was basically looking for this directional up, down, left. So there's that. What's also there, and from the looks of it, I really like it. Anything at the back. So at the back there is the legs, so if you want it a little higher, and also if you want extra rubber, there's like a rubber feel to it, so it won't like move around while you're typing, and there's a little bit of rubber on the ends, but there's also that rubber on that side. So yeah, this is not a Bluetooth one, this is a wired one. So as you guys can see over here, here is the caps lock and the Type-C connection. You can use any Type-C connection if you have one, or Type-C cable. Maybe you have a fancy cable what you want to use, you can use it. It will work perfectly fine. But yeah, let's have a look around the items, so you guys can actually have a much better look. Of it. So as you guys could see, the extras. So this is not another keyboard, this is just more keycaps. So the ones which is white, which is placed standard, and then you get the gray ones. So if you maybe you want the gray look, then you can have the gray look, or if you want the white look, you can have the white look. But I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'm gonna like have it stock settings, and you guys will see a lot of things. But yeah, let's have a look around those items, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm just going to show you how it looks closer. So with this one, type C to angle type C to USB A, you guys get a cap with it. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. And then basically that's the types. This is the angle type C. Okay, the reflection is just too. And then it's the Velcro. And then there's the metal or stainless steel keycap puller, but I'll put the right name to it. And then this is the keycap puller, the dead keycap puller. And then obviously you guys know the switches. And maybe I can show you a little closer. No. Okay. But now my camera is not working with me. It's always doing that. And then obviously you guys saw how the keyboard looks. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Again, yeah. Okay guys, so you guys saw around all those items. So it's the keyboard, the USB, type C, angle type C should I say, to USB A connection, the spare switches what you all have just in case one of those ones don't work. And what I noticed is as I'm looking at it, there's a bent terminal. You just have to bend it tiny bit. Should be fine. Yeah, so I had to fix that quick. But yeah, that came out of the box like that. So yeah, so it's the angle type C to USB A, the switch pullers and switch grippers and so on. And then there's the spare keycaps, what you have, and then it's obviously the keyboard. So let me know in the comments if you are interested in maybe getting your one, and what's your thoughts on mechanical keyboards. If you guys do want to compare it with other devices, so you guys know how the Xbox controller look. Just to give you a little comparison on what the Xbox controller looks. That's to the end. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, to the end. Like that. And if you're wondering, like maybe with a PlayStation controller, it is the black one, black PlayStation controller. Again, all of this stuff you guys can have a look on my channel there by unboxings and sound tests. You guys can see all the equipment what I'm actually using. So it's basically two controllers together, and you want the side comparison. Maybe you want the Xbox comparison. Yeah, so that is that. Oh, and if you're wondering, like the classics, this is a full one, 4GB old school keyboard. And see if I can make this work. The shadows is quite bad. So basically the whole number pad is gone, and you have this part over here. So basically just this is all there, except for I think the extra window button will be gone. But yeah, so that's a comparison of a old school full keyboard, should I say, and this is just a 68 keys keyboard. So this one has the directionals, and yeah, so that's all in the box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. There's nothing extra what I can think of, and it also has a Velcro, so if you want to cable manage, you can cable manage your cable. But again, if you guys do want to go above and beyond, there is a paper link which says buy me a coffee or a game, which you guys can get or donate to the channel, but it's also going to charities, what I'm trying to help out. It says buy me a coffee or a game. And yeah, again, this is all the stuff what you get in the box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know if there's any questions what you maybe have of this. And yeah, and if you guys want to know like certain things, I'm sure in the community there's a lot more people what have this ones and have others what maybe you guys are interested in asking. But again, this is the unboxing of the Redragon Castor, should I say Castor, if I'm butchering the name of it, apologies. But anyway, You guys will get the name of it in the description and also in the video. Again, thank you for watching, subscribing, hitting the bell button, liking my videos, and sharing the videos. It really means a lot to me. And again, hopefully you guys are having a great day or evening. Maybe you guys got the chance to watch this, and don't let anyone bring it down. Always try and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably happen shortly after this one, or I'm busy editing some more videos. Again, thanks, and I'll see you guys. Cheers, guys.